In this part, we'll see how to download and install Notepad++. If you are already familiar with the process or you have already downloaded it, feel free to skip this video and jump into the next one where we'll start building the calculator. And it's not essential that you code using only Notepad++. You can use whatever you like, only the simple Notepad or Visual Studio Code or something else. So let's get started. First, jump into your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here and search for Notepad++. And then open the Notepad++ home here, and you can simply click on the download button here, and now you can click on this download button and your download starts. So once the download has completed, you can either double click on it or else just simply click on this and click on open. Now click on OK, click on next, I agree, then next again. If you want to change the path, you can change it, or else just simply click on next. So once again next and hit install. If you want a shortcut on desktop, you need to just put a check mark here, create shortcut on desktop, and then click on install. So it's installing now. I'll just close this web browser, and once it's done, it'll ask you run Notepad++. If you want the Notepad++ to run immediately, just leave the check mark and click on finish. If you don't want to start it immediately, you can just remove the check mark. So I'm just leaving the check mark like that and clicking on finish. So as soon as I click on finish, okay, the Notepad++ has opened here. I'm just simply closing this change log tab, and now your Notepad++ is ready, and now you're ready to proceed to the next video of this series where we'll start building the calculator. Thank you.